Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports adding apps via Safari, either progressive web apps on iOS or Safari extensions on Mac OS. Sign into your Apple ID so purchases and extensions sync. Once ready, open Safari and load the website you want to add. If it's a web app, make sure the site uses HTTPS. That ensures proper service worker behavior. Now tap the Share button on iOS or choose Safari Settings extensions on Mac OS to move into the first action. Next, add the app itself. For web apps on iPhone or iPad, tap Share, pick Add to Home Screen, edit the name if needed, then tap Add. Safari saves an icon and launches standalone. For Safari extensions on Mac, open Safari Settings extensions, browse App Store or built-in list, install and toggle on. Make sure to configure permissions and any preferences. Extensions often need site access. Web apps may request notifications. This step creates the app shell and links it to Safari functionality. Finish by launching the new app from your home screen or via Safari menus to confirm behavior. If the app looks wrong or fails, clear Safari cache and reload the page. For extensions, disable and reinstall. Also verify permissions, notifications, camera location, and for web apps, check that the service worker registered correctly in Developer Tools. If problems persist, update iOS/Mac OS and retry. Once done, your app should run independently or integrate with Safari as intended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.